Hey folks, welcome to Outdoor Family. Morning 11, we had a little bit of a rainstorm last night. Should we give them a tour?
My hammock is soaked. And now we've got a very, very, very cold pool.
Yeah, we had a little bit of a
disaster.
We still alive, nobody got hurt. We took shelter last night about 5 o'clock.
And I'm glad I moved from my hammock because I would have been crushed right now.
Yeah, that's where Emmy's hammock was.
Yes, it's now
Or is. Still there.
And now it's our pool. Yay.
No, we're getting rid of the pool, Emma.
Yeah.
We can't keep the pool.
Yeah. David?
The garage is intact.
Because it wouldn't be that okay if I didn't zip it up. If you didn't make me zip it up.
It's a little different out here.
In the backyard?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. The entrance to our pool.
Well, I guess the entrance to our pool. Well, I guess you're right, Emmy. I guess there is a water baby still left in the tarp.
Told ya. That giant one.
All right, folks. Stay tuned for the rebuild.